friends, good afternoon. Hoping and expecting all are safe and fine. First of all, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all. I am expecting and hoping all are celebrating this festival with a safe and happier way. So once again, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all. Enjoy it. Today's topic, I am going to discuss that whatever the question last part I have cleared one part of question answer, and now whatever I have some questions are left, I will answer it whatever I received from this YouTube community and WhatsApp and Telegram. So I will try to solve it how much I can, and with that end I will tell you for the study level what kind of material you have to use. So watch this video till end, and if you are not yet subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel, that is SCMA Leaf, and more updates click on bell icon so you'll get the upcoming videos. So let us start off. Okay, one question, ma'am, when is the last date to register for the semi-final exams for December 2020? Registration date, the last date institute only given that date, that is at 10th August. So you can register before that. Exam date will come in October, exam filling form October 10th. So now registration date you will get 10th August. So you can feel it now. Ma'am, I want to convert both groups. When it is the last date? Before October 10th they will give. Before the notification you have to convert, because the December exam is the fresh one. So whoever want to sit one group, two group, you have to fill, but whoever already paid for one group or two group, you no need to pay because exams are not conducted. So whoever coming with the new exam, they have to pay. So till 10th October you will get. Let's wait for the notification what they will tell. Whenever they will release the notification, we will inform you soon. Okay. So Kiran Mirje, nice suggestion, thank you. Okay. Kumar, Lalit Kumar, hello madam, please advise where I can get account group to enter video. Okay, I will tell you. J Ranwal, for December attempt MCQ type question pattern or mixed type of question pattern. See, we have to check whatever the inter and final, what kind of a question. First of all, we need clarify that they are conducting online and offline exam for December. So we need clarification for that. For that, we have to wait for the updates. If it is a online, what kind of a question paper? If it is a offline, what kind of a question paper? We have to see. We have to wait until the notification. So just wait for some days. We'll see whatever you are studying. Just continue with that, because online or offline the study mat will be the same, and the pattern will be pattern will be different, and study mat will be the same. So wait until the notification. So Murali, ma'am, December 2019 verification result, when will it come? Already they have to release. Already in last session also I told they have to release, but till they didn't release, I have mailed them. Let's wait for that, what they will tell and what is the verification result. Let's check. Now, thank you madam, thank you madam, thank you madam. Okay. Same question, what is the pattern? Ma'am, December attempt में MCQ based pattern आएगा या mixed based? We don't know December exam. I already told we have to wait. It is online or offline. Again, the verification result, it should come. The computer training, Shivam Chavan, is computer training required for December attempt both groups? In June they have already exempted. Now December they have to release the notification. It is exempted or we have to conduct. It should be exempt because till outside we can't go. So we have to wait for the notification, because as per they clearly told for June it is exempted, and exams are cancelled in whatever the June exam, it is cancelled and merged in December. So we can assume that it will be exempt, but till we have to wait for the notification. Until notification, wait it. After notification we will update and we will inform you. Okay, questions. Thanks madam. Okay, you are absolutely right. If we complete one group, I am eligible for articles. Obviously you can join anytime articles, that is not a problem. When you are going for final exam, inter and final, in between that is a 9 month gap should be there. Anytime you can complete the articleship before final exams, because they will give one form, you have to fill your experience and all, that time you have to feel that. So before final exams, after completion of your foundation or inter 1 group or 2 group, you can join the articleship. It is not a problem. Whether we can take CMA foundation in already available mobile number or any other mobile number. See, when you are registration doing, that time whatever the mobile number you are updating, that number only you can keep, because whatever the changes or whatever the registration number, whatever the messages, they will send for that number. So don't change. If you change, you won't get that messages. So it is the basic common sense. Whatever you are giving number, that is the only they will send the messages and updates. So please keep whatever it is there. Do foundation postal students have submit the postal test papers? I don't think so. Foundation, they have postal papers to submit. But I will clarify once again, because I don't think so. It is for inter. December foundation exam will be online or offline. We have to wait for the notification. December exams will be online or offline. For foundation already they are taking for this attempt for online. So offline or online, we have to check for the notification. First complete your foundation this exam, then we have to prepare for the December exams. First complete whatever they are giving foundation now coming month. Online or offline, they will give the notification and MCQ, so it won't be great problem for foundation. It has the big problem for inter and final, because there are not only MCQs, there are essay kind of a questions and all, and how they will conduct the exams, essay type of questions, that calculations will be there. So that is the challenge for inter and final, not for foundation. So just chill, relax, online or offline, it's not a problem. So this is the questions. Okay, next question, I will conduct one more part for the question and answer part. So this is enough for the questions. Now I will tell you what kind of what and all you have to read for CMA inter and final. First, study material is the must from the institute. Whatever institute giving the materials are most important for the examination point of view, because study material and whatever they are releasing as their point of view, they are expecting you have to study that and answer from there. So for conceptual clarity, you can use some other books. For final, you require some other books also. Already I have discussed in one video for group 3 what and all you have to study. So first basically things, you have to go through study material, scanner, because you will get to know what is the question paper pattern, suggested answer, because suggested answer released from institute, so you will get to know what kind of answer they are expecting for, that is suggested answer. RTP already it is there, old RTPs you can refer, new RTP also you can refer. RTPs is the must. If you are completing at least 10 to 15 marks you will get from RTP. Workbook they have released newly last 2 years back, so workbook, MCQs and whatever the questions they are asking, you try to complete it while studying, you just complete it. And MTP, it will come nearby exam before 1 month, so you can go through the MTP also. This is the must. In that you are not understanding any conceptual clarity, for final exams you require some other clarity, you can go with some other lecturers also. I cannot suggest, because there are many lecturers they are giving for the they have a lot of books, you can refer that. So this is it. If you have any doubt and queries, write your message in comment box, I'll try to answer it. So I think you are enjoying the festival, enjoy it. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.